Download the image that you want to your computer, go back to Canva, create a new blank document, or choose a template if you wish to do so. On the left-hand side, click on Uploads and upload the image that you just downloaded to your computer. Now I can just click on the image itself, and now I can start editing this image however I want. You can come over to the Edit Image, and you have these options here where you can change the image based on the filters that are available here. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comments section below. If you enjoy my video, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.